Hello all. If your knee is giving you pain in getting up from sitting position or in standing, walking or stairs, then this video is for you, telling mainly about arthritis or medically known as osteoarthritis. What is arthritis? We need to understand what is arthritis. It is wear and tear of the cartilage or cushion around the bones in the joints. It most commonly affects the joints of the lower limbs, especially the knee joint. This is called the disease of old age. But now, the research reveals that 2/3 of the population affected by arthritis is under 65 years of age. So we'll be discussing about in detail how arthritis develops or how it sets in your body. Like every machine undergoes wear and tear with time, but its proper maintenance will help improve its working life. Similar happens with our joint. Because of the aging process, our joint degenerates. That is, the cartilage or the cushion between the bones tends to deteriorate. The space between the two bones decreases and they start rubbing against each other. Mostly, the inner joint space reduces more. This is the reason most of the patients complain of inner knee pain first. Another important part, as mentioned above, is maintenance. The way you sit, stand, and walk greatly influences the health of your joint. So in sitting, it is important to place your legs parallel to each other, with knees 90 degrees bent and foot resting on the ground. While walking, ensure that your heel touches the ground first, followed by the rest of the foot, and the legs are moving parallel to each other with toes pointing straight ahead. Another aspect is that there are certain positions which produces a large amount of force on the knee joint, like squatting position, cross-leg sitting, and kneeling position, hence damaging the knee cartilage to a great extent. This is the reason it is recommended to avoid these positions. Now, is the arthritis progressive? Yes, it is progressive. What we need to understand is, if it is not corrected timely, the ability of knee joint to work well will deteriorate with time, and it will no longer be able to function at its best. So during initial stages of arthritis, the person experiences pain only in getting up from seated position or ground or during stairs. Slowly with time, condition worsens and one can feel pain even on walking on a plain surface, or even standing for 5 minutes seems to be difficult. A very important point is that the progression of the disease can be stopped at any stage by means of physiotherapy. We'll be discussing that further in the next video. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your knees are suffering more and more with each passing day. Treat it, else you will have to replace it.